Hey guys, let's paint today.
Safe, but even we have this brush, we can open it.
Butterfly for David. And a butterfly for Sara. Okay, first butterfly. Okay, take one brush. David, take your brush. Wait. You have to little bit make a wet brush, Sara.
I want this one.
Okay, make a little bit wet. Okay, that's it. That's enough. This is yours, David. And this is your colors. Sit down, please. Just a little bit, Sara. Just a little bit. Okay. Wow. Let's see. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Just be careful. Careful, guys. Wow.
I'm making an Ask Robot butterfly.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Now I can choose.
Sarah's making a rainbow butterfly. Sara, you making a rainbow butterfly, mommy?
This
Okay.
Look at the water, guys. It's all blue.
Oh my God.
I need to do
I
more.
take now blue.
And now everything's stopped. I need to use
Okay.
And pink to make
Nice.
and
Can I
and
Nice.
and out. What do they make together?
Beautiful.
I want to see what do they make together.
white,
Bright brown.
Wow.
And this one.
it's
Oh my God. Sarah, look how David is doing.
I need to use brown.
Can you sit down, please? Thank you.
Okay, how can I mix brown?
I like pink.
I'm going to use now back to brown. But kind of black.
You can maybe try red, blue, and green.
Wow.
Red, blue, green. It's gonna get black.
What? Red, blue,
Yeah, red, blue, and green. Can you try it? Red. Not brown. Red, blue, and green.
Okay.
That's enough.
Okay. Red.
Red,
I need more red.
blue, and green.
I need more red.
Okay.
And then
Blue.
wash it up.
Why are you washing? Don't wash.
And
No, look how we mix it, David. No, look. Oh, okay. Hold on. Yeah. Sorry. You're so smart.
And now let's see if it's going to be black.
It's turning to, let me show it to guys. Oh my God. It's turning to black. We mixed red,
Nice.
blue, and the green, and we got black color. Wow. Let me see, Sara. Your butterfly is amazing.
Yeah, it's getting pink.
Oh my God.
Now I
David,
got
such a beautiful butterfly.
Mickey Mouse.
Wow.
And then I need to wash it up. I now want it to make white blue again because her eyes blue are gone.
Mickey Mouse.
You want a Mickey Mouse? Okay, next we have a Mickey Mouse. Okay, 1 second. I need to wash the table. 1 second, Mama. Let me clean the
Make the way to
1 second.
Make the way to.
I'm making one.
I wait.
Look, Sarah is done even with second paint.
Look, really white makes pink.
你的笑脸就像我的春天。
Now the water's pink.
Oh yeah, I love pink.
I love you。你的笑脸就像我的春天。
A little bit. There we go.
Look, Sarah, how David painted.
Wow.
This,
I need
Why?
more.
Black.
yeah.
I need more.
And I'm making okay.
Okay, let's change your brush. Okay, this is so big. This brush is so big. I think this brush is good. Right? Okay, hold on. Let me change.
This.
Let's
So
take part.
blue
Let me
and
change
pink
your
makes purple.
paint. Wait, I'm coming.
Cake spoon cover now. Daddy, why you black?
Okay, hold on.
Put mine.
Yeah, let me dry. Okay.
But that is not hot.
Okay, hold on. Let me give you what color do you want to color? Pink?
Yeah, and black to make rainbow hat.
Maybe. Oh, okay, pink.
Ah,
Okay. Be fast, David. Be fast.
you can.
Like a new color. And also I need to wash it.
Wow.
Bluer.
And
It
this
is a heart.
heart for Sarah.
Annie.
This is Sarah's third paint. It's beautiful, Sarah.
I made a new green.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Look, I made a new green. Yeah, I want to mix with red and yellow and white. Make
Oh my
like
God,
a new color.
David. Can you sit down, please?
Okay. Red.
Sarah, it's beautiful heart.
Yeah.
That's a pink heart. I love it. Guys, let's sing a song, guys.
Yeah.
What song do you know?
ABC.
A, B, A, B, C, D.
It's making.
Try only do inside heart, Sarah. Don't go outside. Try only inside, okay?
But what was it?
You try only inside.
Okay, I need.
Look, I kind of.
Look at it. This butterfly looks finished. And he looks very cute. And now the other side. Oh no, I'm out of
cover. I'm Pikachu. I'm cover. What's your cover? If you just like it.
I need more blue to use.
I think these two.
Look at my butterfly. It looks amazing. And I need to mix gray with black and white. So I need
I
to make gray like that.
I'm to
That's not gray. It's supposed to be what you see with black and white. Why is it not gray?
orange too, and purple.
We'll have to put this right around here.
And
You have pink.
Next together.
but I'm pink color.
I mix black and white to make gray. Guys, I made gray now.
And this that no.
And then I need to use. I think that's enough with it.
Pink. What's that? Now it's black.
This
Now it's
gray.
this one
And
red.
over here.
This one black. I'm pink color. I'm pink color.
Green? Okay, I'll give it.
I mix with black and white to make green.
Okay.
No, I mix black and white to make gray.
Green.
Now this.
Look, guys, it's an astrobot butterfly.
Do you love Astrobot?
Yeah, and even like a butterfly.
Aww.
Now I need to use gray again. Gray. I got gray.
Now
I'm
ready. I'm
gray color,
ready.
guys. But not like
I'm
blue.
ready to.
Now everything.
I'm ready to.
Yay.
Let's watch it.
And I need to use everything white here.
Okay.
Just only white.
Now I can open. And
Look at my drawing, guys. It looks amazing.
now we do it. Now I
I need
need
more white.
yellow.
How can I
And
Get
yellow
it.
too.
like?
And yellow.
Now I got it again.
What?
And yellow too to make. And to make. Blue. And yellow piece. And yellow.
Look at David's paint.
White. I need
want to
white.
make
More white.
I want to make pink. But I want to
More
make
white.
black. But I want yellow piece. Okay. Bye-bye.
Now my drawing.
Look at David's paint, Sarah.
Yeah, it's finished.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, everything is white and all the colors
Sarah?
are made out of with
Is it
blue
beautiful?
and
Now
black
I want to make
and even
yellow.
gray and white.
Okay.
And now I'm done with my ass robot butterfly. Ass robot butterfly. It's an ass robot butterfly.
And I need color to
Oh
make.
my god, it's beautiful.
Whoa!
Now we can share our paints.
Wait.
I want to have a new paint like Tiga.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.